Hey all, welcome to ShareTrek. This is Raj here. Hope all of you had a great weekend and are looking forward to this week. I surely am. And as I've been saying since the weekend, the futures and pre-market action point to a bear rally this morning. However, it is too early to celebrate because the VIX is also marginally up at the same time. Right now, it's around 6:45 a.m. as I record this video. So we'll find out in a few hours what is going to happen. With that said, let's get started with the morning show. Welcome back, friends. The pre-market action shows that some investors are bullish, but the volatility index hints at wanting to rage. Soon we'll find who prevails. In the case the markets do go up, I will take the opportunity to sell calls where possible, as it is most probably a bear market rally and will fizzle out before the weekend. At least that's my personal opinion. I'm going to put up the earnings chart for this week. If you take a look at this chart out here, you can see that we have some interesting earnings that will help decide the direction. Monday pre-market, we have 5 banks, including Bank of America. Bank of America has reported gains due to interest rate hike and reported earnings above estimates, and the shares are already up 3% pre-market. Tuesday pre-market, we'll see Goldman, Commerce Bank, and State Street report, and the much hype Netflix, and we'll get to see if Netflix can live up to its recent hype. We also have United Airlines reporting, and the question is, will they project an upbeat quarter, and will they show a great above expectations earnings? So those are all the big questions that will shape the market going forward in the week. Wednesday morning, we'll get to see ASML report, and that will show the health of the semiconductor industry. ASML is down 56% from its highs and lost 6.5% in Friday's trading. I'll watch Abbott to see if Big Pharma continues to have big profits and if they have plans for any acquisitions. On the same day, we'll hear from Tesla and IBM after hours. Tesla is down almost 50% from its peak, and with the distractions facing Elon Musk, we'll get to see if he is still able to deliver. And as you can see, we are primed for a dead cat bounce, but the pre-market results can derail us or strengthen us today. The post-market results will set the direction for the next day. And right now, Bank of America is definitely giving us a positive move in the right direction. And overall, one has to be an active trader to stay on top of the market, and the potential for high volatility is absolutely imminent. Overall, a few other positive factors are also causing optimism right now. The new UK finance minister has ditched tax cuts, and also there is reports that due to drop in shipping from China, the shipping turnaround time and cargo capacity is easing up, which means lesser cost for shipping and much shorter lead time for deliveries. That said, let us look at the pre-market action. Well, friends, here we are in the Nasdaq futures chart, and each of these candles are a one-day candle. And as you can see, we are still firmly within the bear channel that we had projected, and soon I'll have to extend this line, which I'm going to do right now. And that's the line of resistance, and I'm going to extend this line of support. So I can't take it beyond this, but later on, as the day progresses, we'll get the opportunity to pull this down further. So we have this bear channel out here, and also we can see that the MACD is bearish, and also the momentum is below average and just about picking up. Pre-market, we are up 1.46%. This could be the Bank of America effect. This could be the effect of the news we are getting from UK, and also the potential easing of cargo. So we'll have to wait and see how the market proceeds, because the pre-market action is not something we can always rely upon. However, looking at 1.44%, it's a significant percentage. So I will consider Nasdaq futures to be pointing us to be having a bullish open in this morning. And if you look at US oil, it's down 0.05%. And now we have two resistances out here, one at $88, and the other happens to be at 86.33. So oil is moving in the right direction for us in terms of having a lid on inflation, and MACD is also tending towards a signal line to move over to the bearish side. Momentum has for the first time fallen below 50 for a while, after a while, and also we have the momentum being flat and slightly pointed downwards. Pre-market, we are down minus 0.07%. So hopefully we have a little more comfort with the oil prices. And QQQ, which was down minus 3.01% on Friday, is up 1.24% this morning. and we are still in a bear channel, and we are still getting a bit of a constraint from our 10-day simple moving average, which is this thick yellow line, and it's at 270.79. And right now, pre-market, we are at 263.98, and our next support is going to be at 260.76. And we have a MACD which is bearish and moving away from the signal line. We also have momentum which is below average and somewhere in the 34s, so it's a bit weak. And S&P 500, which was down 2.28% on Friday, is up 1.12% today. And we still have the diagonal line of resistance, which is going to provide resistance today. And our highs for today could be capped somewhere in the region of 365.74, which is going to be the intersection of the diagonal red line out here, which is the line of resistance for the bear channel, as well as the yellow thick line out here, which is the 10-day simple moving average sitting at 365.56. Right now, pre-market, we are at 361.70. Next, let us look at the Russell Index, which was down 2.68% on Friday. It's up 1.47% in pre-market action. And Russell Index seems to be pretty strong, but it's going to have resistance from the 10-day simple moving average, which is this thick yellow line, which is sitting at 170.32. MACD is bullish, but tending towards the signal line. And also we have momentum, which is below average and pointed down. It's around 40% right now. So it's looking a bit weak, but let us see if after the market open, we are continuing to move upwards. And Dow Jones Industrial Average is down 1.24% as of Friday. No hints at this point of time because it doesn't open so early. And we have a MACD which is bullish and moving away from the signal line, but momentum is below average and pointed down. So it will all take the cues from the VIX. We'll have to wait for the market open for that. And the VIX is up 0.75% this morning. Yesterday was a doji candle, and we have opened above the doji candle, and we have come down a little bit. And we still have support from the 10-day simple moving average, which is a thick yellow line, and it's sitting at 31.53. So the VIX is indicating a bearish outlook, and we'll have to see which prevails. You have the US dollar, which is down 0.26% in pre-market action out here. And we have the 10-day simple moving average, which is this thick yellow line, sitting at 13,438.34, providing the support. And we have a MACD which is bearish and moving away from the signal line. Momentum is above average but pointed downwards. So we can see a little more drop in the US dollar before it picks up. And we are still within the bullish channel out here, so I'm not too worried. We need to break down from this bullish channel in order for US dollar to become weaker. But at this point of time, it's still strong. Next, let us go on to look at index movers. So we have Microsoft, which is up 1.37% in pre-market action. We have Apple, which is up 1.28% in pre-market action. Amazon is up 1.59% in pre-market action. And we have Google, which is up 1.47% in pre-market action. So all the index movers are pointing towards a lot of bullishness. So I'll take the opportunity to sell any calls I can if the market picks up, which I think it will at least at the open. Now, looking at commodities, wheat is become weak. It's come down 3.99% at this point of time, and it has got a support from this diagonal line of resistance from the previous bear channel. If it breaks down below that, then it will re-enter the bear channel, and that will be a good sign for us from an inflation perspective. Copper is still consolidating. It's up 1.05%, but it's moving within the range. And if we go on to look at our genomic stocks, I'm just going to sort this out to get the biggest losers on the top. Invitae was the biggest loser on Friday, and it's up 1.90% this morning. DNA was a big loser on Friday, 8.80%. It's up 1.54% this morning. SQZ Biotech, which lost 8.25% on Friday, has no trades pre-market. Allogene was down 7.29% on Friday, no trades pre-market. Beam was down 7.20% on Friday, no trades pre-market. CRISPR Therapeutics was down 6.87% on Friday, no trades pre-market. PSCB was down 6.73% on Friday, and it's up 2.46% in pre-market action. Bluebird was down 6.44% on Friday. It's up 1.56% on pre-market action. Editas was down 6.34% on Friday. It's up 3.69% in pre-market action. Verve was down 6.17% on Friday, and there are no trades pre-market. Teladoc was down 1.41% on Friday, and it's up 1.90% pre-market. Intelia was down 4.97% on Friday, no trades pre-market. Caribou Biosciences was down 3.91% on Friday, no trades pre-market. ArcG was down 3.72% on Friday, no trades pre-market. IDNA was down 2.17% on Friday, no trades pre-market. IMTX was down 1.77% on Friday, no trades pre-market. Illumina was down 1.64% on Friday, no trades pre-market. And SRPT was down 0.46% on Friday, no trades pre-market. So overall, the Genomics pre-market action shows that there is a bit of bullishness out there. So I would capitalize on that bullishness to sell calls. That's my game plan. And with that said, my friends, I would like to bring this video to an end. I hope you guys have a great day at the market. And it goes without saying, if you like this video, please press a like out there. It helps the channel. And if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe and help me grow this channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.